Here we are for a cool Tool Tuesday. These are blacksmith hammers. They're called set hammers. And what they're used for here is you take these, setting down is a process for, you see how that's, and you take your set hammer, you set it down, strike it with another hammer while it's hot. You could set it down to make a little jog in it. That's kind of a bad example, but that's what I've got. I've got several set hammers, different sizes. This one's 1 inch. This one's, let's see, looks like 1 by 1.5. I've got 1.25. I've got a 1.5. All different sizes for all different jobs. So, thanks.